Assalamu alaikum. I am Fazila Mohsin from BS Physics, and the topic assigned to me for presentation is electromagnetic radiation. Its definition, introduction, and characteristics, and at the end, types. Introduction of electromagnetic radiation. It is any type of energy carrying radiation created by the interaction of electric and magnetic fields. It comes in many different types, although the differences between them are quantitative rather than qualitative. But because electromagnetic radiation is a wave, so it has a wavelength lambda and a frequency v. It is also composed of particles called photons, and each photon has an energy E. So the question arises here is, what are photons? Photon is a tiny particle that comprises waves of electromagnetic radiation, and according to Maxwell, photons are just electric fields traveling through the space. They have no charge, no resting mass, and they travel at the speed of light. They are emitted by the action of charged particles, although they can be emitted by other methods, but including radioactive decay. But they are extremely small, so the contribution of wave-like characteristics to the behavior of photon is significant. The properties of electromagnetic radiation were first investigated by James Clerk Maxwell in 1864, and he realized that in a vacuum they would travel at the speed of light, and he correctly deduced that light is a radiation of this form. So, its existence was demonstrated by Heinrich Hertz in 1888. How can we define electromagnetic radiation? We can define electromagnetic radiation as it is a form of energy emitted and absorbed by charged particles which exhibit wave like behavior as it travels through the space. These are some important characteristics of electromagnetic radiation. First one is all the electromagnetic radiation have a constant velocity in space 300 million meters per second. Their transport energy source through the space. They are transmitted without the need of a medium or conductor. Their transverse waves may be absorbed, reflected, or refracted onto the medium that they strike. Their direction of travel is always in a straight line, and electromagnetic radiation is categorized according to its wavelength and frequency, which are inversely proportional to each other. Types of electromagnetic radiation. First one is radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves, visible light, ultraviolet waves, gamma rays, radio waves. Radio waves are used in medicines. It is used to produce images of soft tissues like fluid, fat, and bone, etc. For example, MRI and RFA. It also helps to identify the tumors. Radiofrequency ablation. It is uses in heat to destroy the cancer cells. Number two, microwaves. Microwaves are radio waves with wavelength less than 30 centimeter and higher frequency and shorter the wavelength. Cell phone and satellites use microwaves between 1 centimeter and 20 centimeter for communication. Microwaves are useful in communication because they can penetrate cloud, smoke, and light rain. Microwaves also in radar that helps to predict the weather. Some uses of microwaves in medicines are hyperthermia therapy. Hyperthermia therapy is a type of medical treatment. Microwave ablation used in treatment of liver tumor, and microwave diathermy used in pain management. Infrared waves. Infrared waves are sometimes classified as near infrared or far infrared. Infrared waves are between the microwaves and visible light. It can be detected by heat and used in heat lamp. Higher the energy, and then microwaves are lower the visible light. Precautions. Strong infrared radiation in certain industry high heat settings may be hazard to the eyes, resulting in damage or blindness to the user. Since the radiation is invisible, special IR proof goggles must be worn in such places. Its uses are it is also used in infrared lamps and digital camera. Uses in medicines. Oncology, vascular disorder, respiratory disorders, skeletal, neuromuscular disease, and surgery. And last one is tissue viability. Visible light. This is the range of wavelength from 390 to 700 Newton meter, which corresponds to the frequencies to 430 to 790. The portion of the electromagnetic spectrum that eye can detect. Visible light uses in medicine. Visible light is also used in scanning laser ophthalmoscope, in endoscopy or also in keyhole surgery. Ultraviolet radiation. Ultraviolet waves have the next shortest wavelength after the visible light. Electromagnetic waves with wavelength from about 400 billions to 10 billions of a meter. It is also used in tanning beds and sterilizing the equipment. How ultraviolet radiation can be useful for us? It can be useful as it helps the body to make vitamin D for healthy bones and teeth. It is used to sterilize medical supplies. It is also used to detect in detective use. Fluorescent powder absorbs ultraviolet and glows to find the fingerprints. X-rays. It is the high waves energy. It is used in medicine, industry and transportation. Too much exposure of this can damage the living tissue or even cause the cancer. X-ray play an important role in dentistry and orthopedic investigation. They can penetrate soft tissues like skin and muscle, etc. Gamma rays. Gamma rays are the highest electromagnetic wave. They are actually come from the radioactive elements or stars. Gamma rays uses in medicines. PET is a nuclear medical imaging tool which is used in gamma rays. For example, neurological disease such as Alzheimer's and multiple sclerosis. Effectiveness of treatments. Gamma rays knife uses beams of highly focused gamma rays to treat the tumor or other abnormalities in the brain. Last point is gamma rays can check how far a cancer has spread and how well treatment is working. Thank you so much.